Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Vanguard Brokerage account. First, let's get started by opening one. You will begin by selecting an account type, such as an individual or joint brokerage account, which is great for general investing. Next, you will provide your personal information, including your social security number and employment details. Finally, you will create your online login with a unique username and a strong password. This entire process typically takes about 5 to 10 minutes to complete. Once your account is open, the next step is funding it. You can easily connect your bank account for electronic transfers directly to your Vanguard settlement fund. You have the flexibility to make a one-time transfer or set up recurring automatic investments to build your savings consistently. Remember, your settlement fund holds your uninvested cash, and it's crucial to have funds there before you can purchase investments. Be aware that some electronic transfers may have a temporary hold of about 7 days before funds are fully available for certain trades. With your account funded, it's time to explore investment options. Vanguard offers a diverse selection, including mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, individual stocks, and bonds. Many Vanguard ETFs can be purchased for as little as $1, providing an accessible way to achieve broad diversification. You can choose from Vanguard's renowned low-cost index funds, which aim to track market performance, or explore their selection of actively managed funds, which are overseen by professional managers. Always consider your investment goals and risk tolerance. Managing your investments is straightforward with Vanguard's digital tools. You can easily access your account and monitor your portfolio's performance through their secure website or convenient mobile app. Consider setting up automatic rebalancing to maintain your desired asset allocation, or make manual adjustments as your financial goals change over time. A helpful tip: elect for e-delivery of your statements and other documents. This can help you avoid a potential $25 annual account service fee, especially if your qualifying Vanguard assets are below $5 million.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.